Hello folks, in this video we will see how to set up the DVSync cloud application. You can download the tool from the website for Windows or Linux version. Once you have the application EAC in place, we can install the tool. Create a shortcut in order to start the server as well as set it as Windows service. So let's start the DVSync Tomcat server. Once the server is started, let's access the application through admin access. So within this application, you can manage profiles to store configurations. Let's create a simple profile. To connect to Salesforce, you can just use OAuth or use the username and password. So once you're connected to Salesforce, just save the credentials. So you're successfully connected to a source. To connect to database, just need to enter the required username and password. So right now you are successfully connected to the source in target. In case if you want to do the attachment download from Salesforce to the local file system, then you need to use this file download application and save the configurations. So the standard and custom objects for your org is shown here. You can select the required object which shows the available fields. You can exclude the fields as well as add the filter criteria if required and save the settings. In order to get the timely notifications, just enter the email address and save the configuration. So you're done with the setup. Let's just do a clean copy to get the account schema as well as data. You can see this account schema created here. And the data is successfully downloaded. We also received a email that 18 records are successfully updated. Thanks for watching the video.